Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss a very interesting question from the topic parabola. The question is, a parallel beam of light ray parallel to the x-axis is incident on a parabolic reflecting surface y square is equal to 4x as shown in the figure. Prove that after reflection it passes through focal point f of parabola. Now this is a very interesting question. Let us understand this question from the reflection property of parabola. What we observe here in this diagram, parallel beam of light after getting reflected converges at one point. That point is represented by red dot. What we need to prove? We need to prove that red dot is nothing but focus of parabola. So we can say that. So let us understand AP. This AP is incident ray. PF as reflected ray and PN as normal and PT as tangent. P is any point on parabola. The equation of this parabola is y square is equal to 4ax. And what about coordinate of point P in parametric form? This is 80 square, 280. Now Pn is what? Normal, and this is tangent. So let us suppose if this is incident ray and this is reflected ray, so if this angle is equal to I and this angle is equal to R, so what can we say? We can say that I is equal to R. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Now, our target is to find slope of normal. What about slope of normal? So, y square is equal to 4x, it is given. So, what can we say? 2y dy by dx is equal to 4a. So what is slope of tangent? It is dy by dx, and this is equal to 2a upon y. So slope of tangent at point P is given by 2a upon, putting y as 280 here. So this is 1 by t. So what about slope of normal here? Slope of normal is equal to minus t. So slope of normal, let this angle is theta. So what can we say? We can say that tan theta is equal to minus t. And what about theta? Theta is pi minus I, because these two lines, this incident ray, it is given, this is parallel to the axis of parabola. So this is incident ray. This is axis of parabola. So tan theta is equal to minus tan I. So what can we say? Slope of normal is equal to tan theta. So tan theta is equal to minus tan I, and this is equal to minus t from here. So what can we find? We can find that tan I is equal to t. Now, what about angle PFN? Say this angle is equal to alpha. Angle PFN is equal to alpha. So what can we say? We can say that I is equal to R here. So alpha is equal to pi minus 2i, because I is equal to R and I plus R plus alpha is equal to 180 degree according to property of parallel lines. And what about I plus R? I is equal to R, so alpha is equal to 180 degree minus 2i. So 180 degree is pi. So tan alpha is equal to minus tan 2i. So simply putting, this is 2 tan I upon tan square I minus 1. So what is tan alpha? Putting tan I as t here, 2t upon t square minus 1. So slope of PF, this line slope of PF is 2t upon t square minus 1. So this is slope of PF. So what is the equation of PF? Equation of PF is simply equation of the straight line y minus y1 280 is equal to m which 2t upon t square minus 1 into x minus 8t square. Now to find coordinate of f, what we need to prove? That this coordinate is x1 comma 0. We need to put y at 0. So putting y at 0 here, what we find, and x at x1, we find that x1 minus 8t square. So x1 is equal to a. So what we find? The coordinate of f is a comma 0. And what is this? This a comma 0 is nothing but coordinate of focus of this parabola. So what we find, if this is incident ray and this is reflected ray here, so this ray must passes through focus of parabola, because coordinate of a we have derived at a comma 0. So by this way we can prove that if this is AP is incident ray and PF is reflected ray passing through the focus of parabola. So hope you understand how to solve this problem. These type of problems are very important for JEE Main and advanced point of view. Thank you and see you in next video.